Okay, good morning mga divers. Tara, to mga divers. From Sabidra City.
Hello, may buntag.
Tara. From Sabidra.
We're gonna build up here?
Yeah, you can put first the all
We can sit up here.
sit up here
That tank will bring the car bring
Yeah.
the tank there together.
from Walbal.
Then we just gear up the area where are the entry.
Okay.
Yeah. We go to the shore. We swim to the well shot. Then we come back.
Welcome Aron Beach Resort. Medyo maganda yung dagat natin ngayon, mga divers. Gandang divers si Malabo. Aron Beach Resort. Medyo pulibukta, 2 araw, 23 at 24. Isa lang bakante room natin. Pag sino yung mag-check-in dito, pwede na mag-PM sa akin. Aron Beach Resort. May makakatis dito. Good morning mga drivers. Sitting na ta sa ato ang mga okay.
I still see people dragging there.
This is your equipment. This one. Yep. Medyo pulibok ta karon sa Aron Beach Resort. Isa lang bakante. 23-24. Harap. Magsita muna sa equipment. Don't forget to subscribe my blog, YouTube, Makoy Vloggers, and Facebook, Marcos Cervera. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.
Voorbij den wasbek.